Hi everyone, today we're doing Module 7 of Measurement and Data. This is Lesson 4, so turn to page 21 to follow along and take notes. Here is some vocabulary. So when we're talking about weight, that is the measure of how heavy an object is. So some ways that weight is measured, we say ounces and pounds. An ounce is a customary unit of measure that measures weight. And about 1 ounce is like 5 pencils, or 1 slice of bread is about 1 ounce. A pound is a customary unit that also measures weight, and 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So a loaf of bread is about 1 pound. Okay, so that's a benchmark, is a loaf of bread, and then a piece of bread is an ounce, so that's a benchmark for ounces. But 1 pound equals 16 ounces. All right, so getting started, if we look at this, we can do 16 times 4. Remember, we start in the ones, we do 4 times 6 is 24. We write the 4 here, carry that 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. Number 2 says, we have the key, we have ounces, and so a key. Are you going to measure a key in ounces or pounds? Well, a key is pretty small, so you're going to measure a key in ounces. But a baby is a little bit bigger, and so they are measured in pounds. So if we look at number 3, we can see that there's a nice chart that they started. So 1 pound equals 16 ounces. 2 pounds equals 32 ounces. Then we have to figure out what 3 pounds equals. So we're going to do 16 times 3. 3 times 6 is 18. Carry that 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So this would be 48 ounces. Well, we already did 4 up here for number 1. So we know that 4 pounds is the same as 64 ounces. So then down here for number 4, we can say 4 pounds equals 64 ounces because we already did that problem. So the larger unit to the smaller unit. 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So you take 4 pounds and you multiply by 16 to get 64. So now here we have 2 pounds, 6 ounces. Well, 2 pounds equals 32 ounces. So we know 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So 2 pounds times 16 equals 32. So then we do 32 plus this extra 6 ounces. 32 plus 6 is 38. So we have 2 pounds, 6 ounces is the same as 38 ounces. So we had to convert the 2 pounds first to 32 ounces. And then we added that other 6 ounces. This says, weight tells how heavy an object is. A carton of eggs weighs blank than an egg. Well, look at this scale. If you had a balance like this and you put a whole carton of eggs, that weighs more than just 1 egg. Over here, you have a scale again. It says a balloon weighs more or less than a softball? Well, less. It goes up. The softball weighs more, so the balloon weighs less than the softball. A man weighs more than a boy. We can see he has more weight than the boy does. And over here it says a roll of quarters. So if you have like a stack of quarters, that weighs more than a dollar bill. This says, choose the better unit of measure for each object. An egg. Do you think you're going to do that in ounces or pounds? Well, an egg is pretty small, so we're going to use the smaller unit of ounces. But a bicycle, we wouldn't want that in ounces because remember, we probably think it definitely weighs more than 1 pound, so you're going to use pounds. This says, complete each conversion. 6 pounds equals how many ounces? Well, we know that 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So we need to figure out 6 pounds times 16 because we're doing 6 pounds, not 1. So 16 times 6, 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 3 is 9. So 6 pounds is the same thing as 96 ounces. Now here we have 5 pounds, 2 ounces. So 1 pound again equals 16 ounces. We need to figure out how much 5 pounds is first. So we're going to do 16 times 5. 5 times 6 is 30. 3 times 1, or 5 times 1 is 5 plus 3 is 8. So 80. So we have 80 ounces, but then we have to add this 2 ounces. So 80 plus 2 equals 82. So 5 pounds, 2 ounces is the same thing as 82 ounces. All right, so converting pounds to ounces using symbols. 7 pounds equals how many ounces? We know 1 pound equals 16 ounces, so 7 times 16 equals 112. So 7 pounds equals 112 ounces. So all you have to do is multiply the number of pounds by 16. Then if you convert pounds and ounces to ounces, well, you have to multiply the number of pounds by 16. So here in this example, 6 pounds, 5 ounces. 6 times 16 is 96 ounces. But then you have to add the product from the step 1, so product is 96, to the number of ounces in the original weight to find the total number. So we have that other 5, so we would do 96 plus 5 equals 101 ounces. All right, you are going to complete page 23 on your own. Good luck.